In this video I will unbox Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. So this is the box which I have got, and inside the box there is the phone Z Flip 5 and along with its case. So this is the box of Z Flip 5. And this is the silicone case with ring. So this is the Galaxy Z Flip 5 box. It says Samsung and Galaxy Z Flip 5. So let's open the box. So this is our phone. So let's see what else do we get inside the box. So we get SIM ejector tool, Type-C to Type-C cable, some instructions and regional lock guide. So let's take out our phone. So this is the Z Flip 5. This is lavender color and it looks awesome. This is a very nice looking color. Z Flip 5 has a full rectangle 6.7-inch screen. Z Flip 5 also has a 3.4-inch flex window cover screen. The phone is very smooth and responsive. There is no lag whatsoever. Z Flip 5 comes with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, as a result of which the performance is very good. So let's take a look at the cover screen. Notifications can be seen through the cover screen itself, and settings can also be accessed through the cover screen. Wallpapers can also be changed through the cover screen. You can also take a look at calendar, weather, fitness and other widgets. You can also add many more widgets and apps on the cover screen. So this is the silicone case with ring, and as you can see it looks really nice. Overall it is an awesome phone.